The F-36 Kingsnake is a proposed new fighter to answer the problem of the United States Air Force's aging population of F-16s. If it is developed to production, the finished product will be a non-stealthy aircraft that may still utilize elements of low-observability technology, and will use existing technology, such as the F-119PW100 engine from the F-22 Raptor, 3D printing, and existing avionics, to reduce cost and development time. As such, it will be somewhere between a Gen 4.5 and Gen 5 aircraft, General 4.75, perhaps. Should the proposal go to development, the aim is to have the aircraft in operation as early as possible, possibly even before 2030. Of course, it is just an idea at the moment. None of the military aviation companies have put forward any design proposals, but that hasn't stopped enthusiasts coming up with ideas about what the new aircraft could look like. For example, Aviation magazine Hush Kit got together with enthusiasts and artists and came up with this design, which looks very pretty, and remarkably like the F-16XL, which, after the Northrop YF-23, is probably the world's most capable multi-role fighter that never got past the prototype stage. Last month, U.S. Air Force Chief of Staff General C.Q. Brown caused a stir when he announced the service was looking into buying a brand new fighter jet to help replace the F-16 Viper. Such a jet doesn't exist yet, but thanks to new digital engineering techniques, it could actually enter service before 2030. Now, the alternative aviation magazine Hush Kit has brought experts together to design that potential F-16 replacement. The result? The F-36 Kingsnake lightweight fighter. Hush Kit huddled with aviation authorities Stephen McParlin and James Smith, who helped bring aircraft like the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter and Eurofighter Typhoon to life. Then, illustrator Andy Godfrey from the Teasel Studio took their ideas and created this concept art for the F-36. The F-36 would have an internal weapons bay. It would also carry weapons on wing-mounted hardpoints. The F-16 it would replace, the Kingsnake, would be a multi-role fighter jet capable of air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. The jet would carry missiles and guided bombs in internal bays, but as a non-stealthy plane, it would pack both on wing-mounted external hardpoints. The Kingsnake would also a gun, making it capable of strafing attacks against enemy ground forces. The F-35 is a Ferrari, the F-22 a Bugatti Chiron. The United States Air Force needs a Nissan 300ZX. The guiding principles behind the F-36 are speed of development, affordability, and the ability to incorporate new tech at a later date.